Today I will show you how to fix the issue in Audacity when you cannot import MP3 files. If you are unable to import MP3 or other audio files, the problem is caused by missing or corrupted FFmpeg library files. To fix this, open your web browser and type in FFmpeg for Audacity. Click on the first search result that takes you to the official Audacity support page. On that page, scroll down until you see the options for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Choose the download link that matches your operating system. This will take you to the official download page. Click on the download link and the file will begin to download. Once the installer is finished downloading, run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When it is done, restart Audacity. Now, if you try to import an MP3 file, it will work without any issues. That is how you fix the problem when Audacity cannot import MP3 files.